graduation ceremony signifies people who have crossed the beginner level 3. This is when they actually, I can say that they will never forget swimming. This is not just a crash course. They actually go through a thorough training where they are able to even cross a 50-meter pool by showcasing 3 different strokes. That's freestyle, backstroke and breaststroke. After that, we have intermediate levels who also got certified today, and the most exciting one was the pre-competitive batch, which has who take part for competitions and who actually represent their schools and compete at the state level and outside the state as well. What we have done at this place is that not only kids but even adults and senior citizens have got their certification today, because at Fit for Life, as we say, it is not swim for life but fit for life, because fitness is first. Swimming is something that has become really big because we talk about prevention of drowning, we talk about how to be able to rescue. If you are a good swimmer, you should also be able to stay safe and be able to save a life. There are a lot of stories, folk stories in villages where good swimmers have gone ahead to try to save someone and they have drowned themselves because they do not have the knowledge or do not possess the skills to save. You don't need to be a good swimmer to save a life. You need to stay calm and you need to know what to do. And this is exactly what we are trying to do. We are working with the government and the association, Goa Swimming Association, to try to spread awareness of prevention of drowning. We will be moving into villages, schools and trying to set this up over the next few months while we are running our summer camps as well. So we are running summer camps across Goa, in Porvorim, in Donapal, at King's School in Sanzediarel, at Arlem, which is our very own center, at Unia Mercado, and we also train advanced students at the Fatorda pool.
I was surprised to see that small kids who were brought from tribal areas, they have tribal areas, and they were swimming like anything. Then also was surprised. He said people can get us medals if we properly. They don't have any facility in the rural area. So the tribal guys, they don't have any facility. They are not scared of jumping into the water. They will be jumping in the river or whatever. But they don't have that system, they don't have that proper coaching, proper thing. And we picked up some students, took them to Delhi. He has taken one pool in Delhi, he has taken one pool in Mumbai. So they are doing very well. He is also working with the same target as Swimming Federation of India, that we must get a medal in the next Olympics. And you are basically laying the foundation. I congratulate you because you get more credit, because with all the difficulties, to have a pool here, it's a great achievement. According to me, it's a great achievement. When I came and saw, I was surprised. Where is the pool? We had told me that this here only, the side. But you have done, used your brains very well, done a very good job. From my side, whatever support you require any time, I am there. Now we have repaired the entire Margao pool, and that pool is become now. In fact, I started that by myself jumping into the water. 2 days back, we all jumped into the water, and then we started inaugurating the pool. No, nothing, no ribbon cutting, nothing. You jump into the pool and start. So that's what we have done. I think one of them can become a good swimmer in the years to come. But the only thing is that parents should support them. Nowadays, parents are supporting their kids like anything. The only thing is that swimming sometimes is unknown. So we are trying to now, this theme is attract youngsters towards swimming. Convincing that this is a life-saving sport. No other sports is life-saving. This is the only sport which is life-saving. Now, swimming as it is, I am associated with World Aquatics. I am not taken charge. I am taking charge at the time of World Championship in Singapore, somewhere in July. I have been elected for 4-year term. But our president of World Aquatics, Captain Hussain, he has given a theme. He says, attract youngsters towards swimming. That has been convinced that swimming is a life-saving sport. It is not an ordinary sport. You can, as a swimmer, you can save the life of the people. And there are many incidents which have happened where one good swimmer has saved the lives of many people. Yesterday we saw what has happened in Bangkok and Myanmar and all. We have seen how the swimming pool on top, water has come down. What is happening? So swimmers definitely can save the life during such emergency. And I was congratulate the parents because you have chosen the right game and the right coach, because they will get trained within how much time we take for them.
Also, Fit for Life, the entire FFL team, it's been growing every year. They have been adding a lot of members to the team. Even the students have been growing. A big congratulations to them. They have been doing a terrific job here. They have been helping what the job the state government has to do. They have been helping them by training so many students. The facilities which they provide here are also very good. And whatever help possible from our side, we try. Whenever they require any help from us, we are always there. Whatever possible, we try to help them for getting the Patoda pool or anything. They are always there. Goa Swimming Association is also going to come up with many sports events. We were just waiting for the Patoda pool to get ready. So we'll be having a championship here in Patoda very soon. We are having a meeting next week to decide on the dates for that.
I started after I joined my son for classes, and I felt that I needed to swim also. I was comfortable with the water, but I didn't have any proper technique of swimming. And now I have a more organized way to swim, and I can cover distance with my the breathing essentially is the main thing, to be able to cover a long distance. So I learned that, but it needs practice, and I need to continue practicing. But this is a form of exercise which I enjoy. Knowing how to manage yourself in the water is quite critical for pretty much any age, as early as possible, to be comfortable in the water. You can't be expecting a child below the age of 5 or 6 to learn how to swim, but you can introduce them early and get them comfortable with this, and to know how to manage themselves in the water. So if they do fall accidentally, they know how to react and not to panic, because panic is the worst reaction you can have.
I love to swim. My dream was to be a swimmer. I have the dream to do a swimming, and I got my dream with this. And I love to swim. And my sirs, teachers have improved me in my swimming classes. I love to swim.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.